mini hauls requires a lot of energy. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a little mini accumulative haul. One of these is an actual unboxing. The other ones I have just had accumulating over the past few months, and I decided to share them with you. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday, all design and fashion related. I love to share with you all my tips and tricks. If that is something you're into, please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, let's get started with a nice fun mini haul. First of all, new merch, red bottom girls. I have some new stuff that I will link down below, but this is one of my favorites. This new design is this like wide tee. I like to wear mine off to the side. So if you're like, oh, what are you wearing? I'm wearing me. So first of all, I'm just going to show you some fun things that I've picked up for fall, winter, just smaller things. Nothing in here is super huge, but I also have an unboxing. And basically everything that I'm showing you guys, I got all of them pre-loved except for one item. So that would be this Louis Vuitton item, but I have several items here and I have an unboxing to do for you that is actually, this is the only brand new piece and the rest of these are pre-loved, and there is a new pre-loved store that I am trying, and the other ones I've gotten from some previous ones. So I want to share these with you because I think you can find some amazing things on these sites. So first, let's start with the Louis Vuitton thing. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is, but we'll go ahead, open it. Here it is. It is a jewelry piece. It's in the dust bag. Plus, I want to wear these right now, so I'm gonna open this first. But these here, guys, are the new Louis Vuitton Heart LV earrings. Like, how stinking cute are these, right? Like, they're so cute. They're not super big. They have a good weight to them, but they're not as big as like the Fendi earrings. I just think they're so cute. I just love them. They're super comfortable. I've already worn them, taken them out, but I got these brand new, and I believe these are right around $600. And I've been thinking about getting the LV hoops, but I thought it's too much like my Fendi hoops, and I wear my Fendis all the time. But when these just came out, like, look how stinking cute. They're not super big, but they're fun. They're like a heart. I've always wanted to get like a heart hoop. I've seen people that had like the big heart hoops, and I just was feeling myself like. So when this came out, my SA, she put on her Insta stories, and then of course I messaged her right away. I'm like, oh my goodness, what do you think of those? How big are they? Because it's hard to see from like the picture. Yeah, they give you dimensions, but she's like, I haven't seen them in person, but she goes, I think they're totally perfect for you. So I just pre-ordered them, and then they became mine. And I feel like this costume jewelry is pretty affordable, but you have to buy it brand new. Like, if you try to buy this from anyone else, they're gonna up the price because they don't seem to have many of these, but this is definitely something you can pre-order. So I'll make sure to put my SA's information down below. Next, little small reveal here, little Hermes thing. I got this from Fashion File. And this is actually something that Fashion File has decent prices on it, but usually have to wait when they go on sale, kind of thing. So this here I got for under $400, like I don't know, it was three something. And that is this. And this is, this Rodeo is in the, this is the Mila lambskin, and it's, I can't say this name. I cannot not pronounce this pink, but like, isn't this the absolute gorgeous pink? I tried to look it up. I have no idea, but I'll put the name and stuff down below. But this is like the mini horse that they have. And I got this, if you hadn't seen, I'll put it up above to click on it, my new Hermes Birkin is to go with this because I think it just looks so great with the blue jean. Let me show you it on. Because this is like a smaller Birkin, like, doesn't that look amazing? In the color, like, I would love to get a bag in this color. It's like, I know it's coming off like really pink, like it's more like a muted pink, because when the light hits this, I mean, it comes off brighter when you have it on camera. And same with this blue, it comes off like really blue, but it's so beautiful. I would love to have a bag. I wish I could pronounce the name for you, but I'll have it down below. But look how gorgeous. Like, she needed to be all pretty. So I have Lady B, and this, I was calling it Mini B, but I guess I'll call her like Princess B is what I think I'm gonna call her now, because eventually sometime I might want to get a 25 and that would be Baby B. So I think this is gonna be Princess B. What do you think? Next, we are gonna go with shoes that I got. So I ended up getting these shoes right here. So these are Bottega Veneta. These are like the mesh ones, but they are the ones with the pointed heel, or pointed heel, excuse me, pointed toe. Like it's not the flat one, as you can see. And I really liked it because it has this chain detail. And I saw this like being worn. I think this is absolutely beautiful. The one that was like the flat one, I felt like it looked like their feet were being suffocated. It just looked weird. Whereas this one I thought looked really elegant when I saw someone wearing it. I found this again on Fashion File, and I believe I paid for this one because these usually retail for over $1,000. And I believe these were brand new on there, came with everything, and they were retailing, I'll have to look it up, but I believe they were just under $800 for these. And again, I'm planning on renting these out. I used my rental money to get these, but I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. And they do have, the only thing to keep in mind is these particular shoes are, they're not good if you have a wide foot. I recommend with these Bottega ones that come in like this, because they have a strap in here that you never really notice unless you have them, that is not very forgiving. It's this leather strap right here. So if you have wider feet, like it's not going to feel good on your little tootsies. So I recommend with these shoes in particular to steer clear of them if you have a wider foot. If you have a normal to narrow foot, then this will work for you. But yeah, what do you guys think? Like, look how stinking cute this is. Absolutely gorgeous. It's one of those things like you can find a deal for it. Like it's not something I necessarily need, but it's absolutely fabulous. So hopefully someday I'll go somewhere and be able to rock these. I haven't taken them out yet, except, you know, around my house. Next, I got myself secondhand, next to last, this Gucci cardigan, guys. So this is like the one that everybody wants, right? This is the one, it's like a navy. I know it kind of looks black, but it's like the navy and gold. And I got this on one of my favorite sites, which is the Luxury Closet. And then this is actually a company that's based out of Dubai. So I've gotten great success with getting stuff for them. Plus, you don't have to pay tax if you get it under $800. If it is over $800, then you do have to pay about 10% of the duties, and everything comes to you within a week or so. It's really fast, really awesome. And they do these things where you can get money back on certain items. Like they have these points after you make so much, they have those points, you get 5% Rakuten. So there's so many other things on top of it, plus great deals. So this particular sweater, I believe now retails for $1,300, close to $1,300 from Gucci. And I was able to get this in like new condition. It doesn't look like anybody really even wore it, for just around $700. I think it was $735 is what I ended up paying, free shipping, no tax, anything like that. It was listed on the site, and it's similar to Fashion File where you get to save it. So if it gets discounted or things go, or they have sales, because they have tons of sales as well where you can take extra money off, then you can have it saved and then you'll get notifications for that. So this one was originally on the website for over $800. I think it was like $880, and I just saved it because I'm like, over $800, then I would have to also pay duties on top of that. And when it dropped down and then they had another sale and I was able to get it under $750, I just snatched it up. So I am going to show you, because like this is a big investment. I'm going to come up with a video. I'm going to do my next video I have planned is to show you different ways to style this cardigan, and just any cardigan in general. But if this is something you're thinking about doing an investment piece, like you don't just have to wear things one way, right? Like you can wear things different ways. So I'm going to show you some fun, clever ways that I like to rock cardigans and to get my money's worth, and maybe inspire you to think outside the normal fashion box. But yes, I'm excited about this one. And last, we have a box here, and this is a new company I'm trying. This is called Mine and Yours, and this is a Canadian secondhand consignment shop. And I really liked the prices in there. When you look on it, like you might be in Canadian, and then you just have to convert it to US dollars. Again, you have the tax things on there, and it seems like a lot of their stuff is really reasonably priced. And this was a particular item that I love, and I'm thinking about, this is gonna replace the jacket I currently have. But they have all different types of brands in their clothing, shoes, handbags. And when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is something that I've been thinking about getting, and this is a great deal, so I have to get it. So this is for winter time. So let's see, it's my first time using them, so I don't know how things look. Okay, so here it is right here. Oops, I dropped all the stuff. So it says, hi babe, thank you for shopping with us. Oh, and it's handwritten. So this must be the person that actually packaged my stuff. It says, hey Jessica, thank you for shopping with us. And his name's Jake. And then Jake must have been who packaged this for me. Thank you, Jake. And then you have your packaging slip here. Let's see if it tells me. It's just telling about exchanges and all that stuff here. Okay, let's open. So this is something that retails for, I'm trying to hold it up for you. It's got tissue paper. And here it is right here. I don't know if you can see it. I got, put that aside, this jacket right here. So this is the Nanushka. This is the pleather jackets that they have, because I already have the Nanushka jacket, which I absolutely love. However, this is the belted one, so it's a little bit longer, and it has a hood. So I absolutely love my Nanushka jackets. Like, we have crazy cold winters, and I wore that all throughout winter. I love that it's like pleather. It's super soft and cozy. Like, I wish I could have you guys touch this. This is one of my favorite designers, especially for synthetic leather. And somehow everything is made responsibly and all that stuff. So I just don't know how they do it. But these jackets here, I think retail like $700, $800. And this was, I think I got this for just a little over $300. And I thought that was an amazing deal. It comes with this beautiful belt, and it goes just below the waist. Let me try it on. So this is a small, like normally in winter jackets, I will size up to a medium. But I love that this goes like over my butt to keep me warm. And I love that it was also like belted. And it came with this hood. Let's try the hood on. Oh my gosh. Eskimo princess, anyone? Eskimo princess? What do you think? Like, this is just so cozy, and I can just zip, like, look. I don't even need a mask. I can just put this on. But yeah, guys, this is absolutely gorgeous, and it was in amazing condition. So I'm gonna link this company down below for you. Let me take it off. Yeah, so I'm gonna link this company down below for you that I got this secondhand stuff. But I really recommend, like, if you saw this is all pre-loved, secondhand, whatever you wanna call it, items. And that's what most of my stuff is. I love sharing this with you, and I'm trying different places. So I'm gonna continue like shopping when I'm looking for things and try these new websites out, because The Real has been having all these problems. That's who I used to buy stuff from, but they're having problems with fake, so we ain't doing that. Fashion File has gotten really pricey, so I kind of had to steer clear from that. Same with Yuki's Closet. Rebag is still a favorite, but I can only buy when they have their sales, because some of their stuff has gone up as well. And they don't have clothing, and they don't have shoes, which is something, and they don't have as many accessories. So yeah, I really like this, mine and yours. I'll go ahead and, like, because they have all different stuff. They have like self-portraits. They don't just have like necessarily luxe things. They have some other items as well. And you can find some really great deals. I don't really care for ThredUp. I've tried ThredUp before, but I just don't care for it, because at ThredUp, I feel like their stuff has that smell to it, like, which is like when you go thrifting or something like that, it has that thrift smell. This does not. It doesn't feel like it was like stored or anything like that. So yeah, seriously, I'm just gonna hug this and you guys can talk amongst yourselves. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful for you and you enjoyed this. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.